it's 10th January. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have India dismisses Lutnick's claim that Prime Minister didn't call Trump to seal trade deal. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Iran defies Trump, warns protesters of crackdown. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Center opposes reclassification of air purifiers as medical devices for GST cut. Again, very important for economy as well as environment perspective. Going forward, we have path to Viksit Bharat goes through Viksit Uttar Pradesh, says Rajnath. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have Taliban diplomat to take charge of Afghan embassy. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Mamdani's note to Umar Khalid draws criticism from Ministry of External Affairs. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Going forward, we have Shah launches database on bomb blast in India. Again, very important for security perspective. Then we have DPDP Act does not dilute RTI Act. AG says in opinion. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have gold ETFs score over equities in December. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have all unveils green mobility plant in UP. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Going forward, we have the world page where we have Russia hits Ukraine with Orshenik missile after rejecting truce plan. Again, very important. Then we have Yemen separatists declare disputed dissolution of STC. Then we have oil firms pledge $100 billion for Venezuela, Trump ahead of need. Then we have Kurdish fighters refuse to leave Syria's Aleppo after truce. Lastly, we have Meloni rules out US military move on Greenland, urges NATO Arctic presence. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye. Take care.